Treating the pain or the issues in your body without medication or surgery, that sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, now with a place called PA Green Wellness in Lewis, where you'll find regenerative medicine. You'll be living your best life in no time. Here's Delmarva Life's Katie Zarrilli.
Gary M. was on the search for the cure for the arthritis affecting his hands. After beginning treatment at PA Green Wellness in Lewis a few months ago, things have changed in big ways.
I couldn't snap my fingers 6-8 weeks ago because the thumbs were just jammed, and it's amazing, absolutely amazing.
No drugs, no surgery, yes, healing. How? Regenerative medicine.
PA Green Wellness is a regenerative medicine clinic. We're an MD-driven practice, and we provide treatments that are biologic tissue change in the body. So we actually can change the chemistry and the tissue in the body. So the body will reverse conditions. We don't treat symptoms, we treat the underlying condition in the body.
Conditions such as arthritis and Lyme disease. They can treat pain associated with all kinds of injuries. According to Director of Patient Services and Education Jennifer Fry, human cell and tissue injections over medication is very effective. One treatment they're thrilled to be offering is called GainsWave.
Our flagship treatment is GainsWave. So it treats not just erectile dysfunction, but erectile dissatisfaction. It's acoustic pressure wave therapy applied to the genitals. We like to do 8 to 10 treatments, and we like to combine it with a new product of human cell and tissue product that is called Beyond PRP. That's an injection, and it is preferable to a P shot or a platelet shot.
She says the platelet shot used to be the best option, but not anymore.
That's kind of like the violin, whereas Beyond PRP with all the growth factors and cytokines and scaffolding is more like the orchestra.
She says the GainsWave treatment with or without PRP is very effective for biologic tissue change.
So it is a phenomenal treatment. It is not a medication.
Jennifer adds that even though the injections are used for a specific purpose, oftentimes they help the whole body feel better.
We've had people who have come in for back pain injections, and they have found that they no longer need high blood pressure medication because the body will respond and rejuvenate, and it takes about 4 to 6 months for all the results to happen.
However, it's not a one-size-fits-all model. PA Green Wellness will tailor-make treatment plans based on you and your needs.
We want to know what is going on in the entire body so we can recommend the best matrix. We like to customize it.
You might have a lot of questions and it might seem a bit complicated. If you're interested, though, the first step is simple. Just pick up the phone and call to schedule a consult.
Everyone in our practice is mature and has utilized these therapies themselves. So when a person calls in to schedule a consult, they get a real person who they can decide if the consult's even the right approach for them.
I'll tell you one person who's confident it has been the right approach.
The arthritis in my hands has subsided tremendously. My knees were a real big issue. My left knee is pretty much non-existent, and the right knee, I would say, is probably about 90%. And I just got back from skiing 12 days out west between Vail and Park City. I had some swelling, but no major complications. It took a little while, but I'm also not a kid anymore either, so the knees don't react like they used to. But it seemed to be much minimalized because I do this every year. And last year when I came home, I was almost stiff-legged. And this year I had full motion and a little bit of tenderness, but it took about a week to get back to normal.
And his story is only one.
We do this every day, and we have a comfort level with patients. We want to see people do well.
Better body, better mind, better life.
Jennifer adds that they're expanding their practice to use regenerative medicine and aesthetics for the face, the neck, the chest. PA Green Wellness is in Lewis and has locations in King of Prussia and Harrisburg, Pennsylvania as well. We'll have all their contact information for you on delmarvalife.com.